Hello, beautiful people. I hope you're having a great day. I really do. I really do. To be showing and talking to you guys about how I wear a red lip. I honestly feel, believe, and think a red lip looks good on everyone. It's just a matter of picking different red lipstick products. And also, I always say it's not just the eyes, it's not just the lips, it's how the look comes together. I'm going to be using the NARS. This is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Macau. Give it a good shake. Is it fall? Is it fall or is it summer fall? Like, what is it, child? This all over our face and even out our complexion. Oh, I do have the MAC Layin Low Paint Pot on my eye. That is our foundation. This foundation is so good. I recommend getting a sample, trying it. It's so good. I feel like NARS never miss with the complexion products. Like, I love some NARS. Y'all, I always forget to put this on. This is a color corrector, but I might just be using this as a blush today. What I love about doing a red lip, for me, you can either leave your eyes super neutral, but I'm gonna put something on my eyes. So if like you're an everyday work gal, because I feel like a red lip can be for Christmas, it can be for holiday, it can be for an event, or it can be an everyday color. I recommend it's either you just do something super light on the eyes. Someone that gets up every day, they're not going to have the feel or want to put on full-blown eyeshadow, right? So I like to just make this really easy. I'm going to be taking this shadow Brown Down. It's by MAC. It's and it's also, what is it? It's a Volux finish. It looks like this. Use the Charlotte Tilbury palette. It's called Golden Goddess. It has a shade in there. You can do a light shade on a lid or a darker shade in a crease, or you can just put your concealer and powder over your eye. But I like to look like I have some type of something on my eye, like my eye is just not blank, you know. We're still going to keep the focus on the lip, on the red lip. The way that we put our makeup together, the focus will still be the lip. So I'm just going to take a brush and just apply this all over my eye. Right in the crease area. I just put that all over my eyes, and what you can do, you can also either open your eyes up more. I was kind of thinking about doing that, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay. Take my favorite eyeliner. Check this eyeliner out. It's by Patrick Ta. His aesthetic, his brand, I just really love it. This is in the shade Rich Brown, and it glides on super easy. Let's try that. I want to see how this looks on my lid. I don't like doing pencil on my lid like that. It's kind of hard for me, but let's see how this looks on the lid. I like it on the lid, but you most definitely, I feel like it's not as strong enough, in my opinion. Like, it just kind of goes down. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm going to do the other one here. I'm going to be taking the Lilly lashes in Monica Nose. Now, you can most definitely go in with a more wispier eyelash, but I'm going to actually do something more fluffier and full, and I'm going to be popping that off because we only have one color on our eye, so our eyes is not like, you know, super focused or like super glam. So I'm going to use a nice glam lash. Just a little bit of Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I've been using this one lately. It's been a nice one. Took the Patrick tie, drug it under my lower lash line. I'm also going to take that brown down here. I'm creasing. I got to put concealer and powder on. Drag it also underneath. The Duo Quick Set Glue is pretty good. I think I paid like $5.29 for it. It's pretty good and easy to use. The Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is a hydrating concealer as well. Many people don't really use it. They use the bigger concealer. This was pretty good. I need to just go and get more colors. So we're gonna just conceal. Just blend it out so smoothly. I mean, the concealer will blend like effortless. Like you will just be like, what did I do? What did I do? The Tarte Shape Tape, which I am running out of, but we're just going to scrape what we can out of here. This is in Tan Sand. Now, because our lips are going to be bright, they're going to be red. You know, I love and I live for a brighter under eye. So we're most definitely going to be highlighting under our eyes. It's gonna look really good with a red lip. It really helps bring the look together. You know, I always just keep my concealer light. Like I don't apply a ton. You don't really have to, because as you blend, the concealer will move. Also, one thing about this NARS foundation is it's so creamy and their formula is so good that it blends really nice with other products. I'm gonna be taking just my Laura Mercier powder. You can use whatever powder you want. You can use your pressed, whatever powder you want, just to use it to set that under eye. This can also mattify a lipstick. So if you have a red lipstick that's not as matte as the one that I'm gonna use in this video, you can use the Laura Mercier powder if you have it to mattify it. It's really cool. So easy, right? I'm not going to be doing like cream contouring or anything really defined. I'm going to use my bronzer. It's the Fenty Mocha Mami. It's that reddish tone, so it's kind of like what I want for this look. I'm just going to take an angled brush. Overall blend, overall sweep. I'm gonna take this mascara and put it on my lower lashes. It's nice. I'm gonna use this color corrector here as a blush. It's from Charlotte Tilbury, dense brush. And I'm gonna dip into this. This is a contouring brush, but it's pretty dense and fluffy. And I'm dipping right into that product. I'm taking it on the back of my hand. I'm desaturating the product. And I'm just gonna cheese. Right on the cheek here, color corrector, but we're using it as a blush. I'm gonna go in, but I kind of want to tone it down a little bit. I'm gonna just take my bronzer brush and just tone it out just a little. Take MAC's Whisper of Guilt. This is a nice highlighter. It's nothing too bright, it's nothing too crazy. And I'm going to just swipe that on my face. Just, yep, because that's where that lip is gonna be sitting. The lip I chose is the Fenty Uncensored. I think this red is beautiful. I love this red. When I worked in makeup, they couldn't find a red in my store. I recommended them this red. It's a blue undertone. It's absolutely beautiful and it's super universal. And it's a great matte liquid lipstick that does not make your lips feel like the crack days of Dave Chappelle. Do the matte version first. I'm going to get a lip brush. Of course, you don't have to use a lip brush. The applicator is pretty decent, but I'm going to use a lip brush for me. Now this is like my one layer. You can actually layer this. I'm gonna add some more. My lip brush again to saturate that extra product off my lip brush. I have a napkin here. Do that. Protect your teeth. I'm gonna add a little bit more. This is the matte lipstick. This is the Fenty Beauty. I love this. It doesn't feel like I have on a matte lipstick at all. It feels super comfortable. Anastasia came out and it was like on our lips because our lips were dry from the liquid lipsticks. I recommend this red to women when I worked in stores for cosmetics. You know, Caucasian to black. This red looks amazing. You really have to just find a red that looks great on you. So now we're gonna go and we're going to use a gloss to gloss this up. This is the matte red, and if you like a matte lip. So let's get into the gloss. I don't have like a red gloss, so I'm just going to use Mercier. This is their Cosmic Lip Gloss. Lip gloss is just like a clear gloss with sparkles. I have a napkin here and I just wipe off my applicator. So since you are putting the gloss on, okay, the product will move, just be careful with it. But Miss Fenty understood the assignment. I typically don't like a glossy red, like more of a matte, but this looks so good. This looks really good. Like, I am in love. Everything's gonna be linked down below, from social media to products to email, whatever. It's linked down below. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this inspired you. I think it looks beautiful. I think red is a universal color for any woman. Doesn't matter how light you are or how dark you are. I tell them to stop it. Stop it. It can work for many or different occasions. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.